Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine. Okay, let's do some work. Children, near this margin line, write down the day. Today is Wednesday. So write down W E D N E S D A Y. Wednesday. Now write down the date in this box.
18.8.2021.
Very good. Children, today we are going to write og sound words. So write down the heading. Og sound words. Leave some space. You can use your finger like this. Very nicely. Yes. Og sound S-O-U-N-D sound words. Again leave some space over here. Words. W-O-R-D-S words. Very good. Now write down number 1 over here. Let's write the words now. Fog. Fog. Children, look. The tail of O will touch with letter G. We will write all the words by joining their tails. Okay. Now write down number 2. Jog. Jog. Now let's draw a picture related to jog. Draw a circle, then slanting line. Yes. Draw the legs like this. Arms. Look. This boy is running. Jogging. Yes. Number 3. Hog. Number 4. Log. Let's draw the picture. Make a circle, then 2 sleeping lines. Again draw the circle. Very good. This is a picture of a log. Number 5. Dog. Let's draw the picture of a dog. Draw a small circle. Draw like this. Then 3 dots here and draw 3 dots here. Now make a circle like this. Draw like this and now make the eyes of the dog. Now the turn of ears. Yes. Dog. Children, let's read them again. Fog. Jog. Look, this boy is jogging. Hog. Log. This is a picture of a log. Dog. And this is the picture of a dog. Very good. Children, today we will do ob sound words also. So write down ob sound words. S-O-U-N-D sound words. W-O-R-D-S words. Very good. Now write down number 1 over here. Rob. Number 2. Sob. Now let's draw a picture related to sob. Draw a circle. Here 2 eyes, nose. Look, this boy is sobbing. Children, It means this boy is crying. Very good. You are doing very well. Children, I am so happy for you. Bye-bye.